Welcome to a brief tutorial on interacting with Fixture Detection in the Flow by Moen app. Our Fixture Detection technology is built to identify and analyze the fixtures in your home. Whether you're doing a load of laundry, watering the lawn, or washing your hands, this technology will be able to identify where water usage is occurring and update you in real time in the Flow by Moen app. In the event that your automatic fixture assignment is inaccurate, you may reassign it. This ensures that your Smart Water Shutoff grows smarter in order to better understand your home. You may interact with and reassign water events by doing the following. You will see the main dashboard when you open the app. Scroll to the Fixtures card to view your water usage separated by fixture. View the last 24 hours or last 7 days. You may also view this data in a chart. To access individual fixture events, click on View More Details at the bottom of the Fixtures tab. Here, you will see each individual water event, the time of day it occurred, and the gallons spent. If a recent water usage event has been improperly assigned, click on the event in question to reassign it. Choose Wrong Fixture and relabel the event to the proper category. Just as helpful, let the app know when a fixture label is correct too by selecting Looks Good. The more you correctly identify your fixtures, the smarter your shutoff will become over time. If you have any additional questions, email support@meetflow.com or call 844-MEET-FLOW.